The day after I bought my house, I felt fear. Well, I never danced that well with fear, but this time it felt like a romantic tango. And I felt myself come alive. Fear or no fear, I was moving on. And it felt right. It felt scary. And it felt right.
Go pack up your toys. Are you gonna pack up your toys? Nope, you're not. Who's gonna get a backyard? You're gonna get a backyard. Are you nervous? You think mommy's packing and moving and not taking you? Oh, honey, we love you. Of course we're taking you. You're king of the backyard. I'm gonna need a sun hat. I'm gonna be working in my garden a lot. Well, that's nice.
This will be just like the one that Herb wore on the 2.5 Men episode when he was spitting the seeds into the...
Are you gonna help me in my yard?
No.
It says heavy duty large. Can you get a light duty large?
Probably.
I don't know if we have any in stock.
Not good. Look how cute he
Here,
is.
see, let's put these
The
back.
puppy dog is moving. He needs his own boxes.
Here's what a box looks like together.
I would say a couple small ones for the jewelry and stuff. That'd be nice. Oh, look at you two. You guys are so helpful. I just love you guys. Lowe's is the best.
I'm heading for the soup. Please help me get in there. Okay.
We got our boxes. We've got our bubble wrap. Today, I'm going to tackle the china cabinet. Mr. Oh my goodness. Look at you. You look marvelous. I asked you to come back and you did. Hey everybody, I'm so happy to see you today. I hope you had a good, safe week. Last week I asked you, do you want me to be gone moving for 3 weeks or do you want me to check in? And you were so sweet and kind. And you said, we don't care what you look like or what you sound like, just check in. We just want to know that you and Desi are okay. And I thought that was the sweetest thing ever. So that's what I'm going to try to do today. I've got 18 days. Now today is Saturday, right? Right. 18 days and I will be in my new city, in my new home. And we're going to go around and we're just going to take a look at everything and see what we all think. But I am so excited. I'm exhausted. I have been packing and purging and donating and cleaning every single day, and I am just so whipped. I found things I didn't even know I had. It was really interesting. My house was built in 1939, and it's just the cutest little thing you ever saw. But I have an open floor plan. When you walk into the front door, it looks like one big, long, beautiful room. And I'm going to make it a dining room and a living room, so open floor plan. Now, I know very well that in 1939, that is not what they had in mind. So I don't know if they took out a wall or I'm not sure. I have to get in there and investigate, but it's beautiful. And my question to you is, have you ever decorated an open floor plan? I never have. So I have been thinking about this and designing at night where I think the furniture could go. I want each space to be unique and defined. Like here's the living room and the focal point is the windows and the fireplace. And then over yonder is the big window over the back gardens and a dining room area. I want them to be in harmony, but I want them defined. And I don't think that's going to be easy. I did splurge and I bought new living room furniture. So my colors are cream and navy, and that's it. And of course the artwork will be wild.
I swear, if I put one of these in my backyard, my new neighbors would think I'm nuts. I mean, they're going to think that anyway, but why help it along? Oh my goodness, this is a dream come true. I haven't been able to buy a hosta in over 10 years. They grow so big and so beautiful. I just love them.
I have the sweetest backyard. It's not big, but it's not small. It's unique. And there's a window that, well, in my dining area, when people are, having fun, or maybe it's Thanksgiving or Easter or a birthday, when you look out the dining room window, you'll see the backyard. And so in that line of sight, I want something beautiful planted there, something that's just sort of unique and colorful and beautiful and a surprise, and you name it. If you have any ideas, one of my friends said, get a weeping cherry tree, or get a couple of them, get a couple benches.
My home has always been such a huge part of my life. My home now is in perfect chaos, and that's exactly how it should be when we're moving from one time of our life to another.
I love this. I think it was about a year ago. We all were at the thrift store and I found this plaque. I just love it. I'm packing her up and she's coming with us.
I have a dining area in my little dining room. Then I have a dining area in my kitchen. I have another little dining area in my sunroom. Well, the last thing I need in my backyard is another dining area or a deck. I don't need that. But I'm thinking, what I would like to do is create a stone path to the very far end of my backyard and then create a stone patio back there. But have it unique. The whole vibe of that patio would be to get away from the house, to get away from a computer or a phone or anything, to make it feel that you've almost gone somewhere else. And I'm thinking, what would give it that ambiance of calmness and something different and an oasis? And that's very challenging. And I really won't know until I get there what I'm dealing with. But I have designed it, and I think it would be just so pretty, that stone runway to the back patio. And then taking the sort of steeple type design of the house and the tin roof, and then incorporating that to designing my garden around that patio. It'd be so beautiful. Anyway, 18 days, I cannot wait. I found a poem that I just loved this week, and I've been trying to memorize it. Why? I don't know. But I love contemporary poets, but I have such a soft spot for Robert Frost, and I know you like him too. The Road Not Taken, that's a special favorite of all of us here. But this poem is called Closed for Good. And it's about how we're caretakers for the time that we're here on earth, and that we go on, and our tracks in the snow are so important, and it's so dear to us. Our home is so dear to us. And yet someday a rabbit or a fox may replace our tracks, because life goes on and we go on. And the poem was just so beautiful. So I hope I'll have some time to maybe recite a little bit of that poem that gave me so much strength this week. Thank you so much for your love and for your support, for your encouragement. You lift me up every single week, and especially now. I'm excited, I'm happy, I'm scared, I'm a little nervous, I'm sassy. I'm everything. You name it, I'm everything except, well, I'm not depressed. If I got any happier, it would be illegal. It would. Almost 3 years, and somebody asked me the other day, what is your favorite memory of filming in the apartment that you're in now? And I have a lot of wonderful memories of all of us, the comments and the filming, and so many little Christmas things we did. But the video I did when I went to the thrift store and I found a painting by a woman named B. In fact, I happen to have that right here. I'm packing it up. And this wonderful painting is going to go with me to the new house. And if I uploaded an encore presentation of any video, it would probably be the one I did on Finding B's painting. And she had a little note attached to the watercolor that she did on how to hang it and take care of it. And, B passed away, but I did look up her house. And that video spoke to me. And it reminded me that no matter how defeated you might feel or how powerless, there's always tomorrow. There's always a fresh new start, a new way of looking at something. But there's something about finding that painting at the thrift store. I think that's my favorite memory here in this apartment. I'm sitting here crying in the middle of this ball field that I haven't been on since I was 10 years old. And I listen to the church bells ring and the dogs run and the ladybugs come out and say hi. What is your favorite piece of furniture?
My kitchen faucet.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us today and going through our move with us. We love you so much. Please have yourself a wonderful brand new week, and we're going to check in again a couple more times. But please take care of yourself, and when you're done with your brand new week, you come back and see me and Desi, okay? All right, it's a deal. We'll be somewhere. We'll be here.
This table is $1,000. It's really unique. It's beautiful. It's not my style, but I appreciate it. She once said to a potential employer, "I come with my life, and my life is in boxes."